man with a grain of faith in God never loses hope because he ever believes in the ultimate triumph of truth. Do you know who said these words? Well, this is our father of nation, dear Mahatma Gandhi or Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He strongly believed in God. For him, God was life, truth, love, ethics, morality, fearless, and above all. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd to remark the birthmark of our dear Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji.
Good morning, dear students. Mahatma Gandhi is revered the world over as one of history's most transformative and inspirational figures. Gandhiji was a fearless campaigner for the right and the dignity of all people. I would like to quote some of his inspirational sayings. It goes like this: if we could change ourselves, the tendencies in the world would also change. As a man changes his own nature, so does the attitude of this world change towards him. We need not wait to see what others do. Another one goes like this: it is the action, not the fruit of the action, that's important. You have to do the right thing. It may not be in your power, may not be in your time that there will be any fruit, but doesn't mean that you stop doing the right thing. You may never know what result come from your action, but if you do nothing, there will be no result. I wish on this Gandhi Jayanti day that like him, may we become persons who love humanity. Thank you.
Mahatma Gandhi remains a relevant thinker today, not only because of his theory and practice of non-violence, but because of all his life. He defended political tolerance and religious pluralism. Let us hear about Gandhiji's lifestyle.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His parents, Karamchand and Putlibai, had 4 children, 3 sons and a daughter, of whom Mohandas was the youngest. His family called him Mohaniya. Later on, he was given the name Mahatma, which means great soul. When Mohandas was just 13 years old, he got married to Kasturba Mukherjee. They went on to have 4 sons, Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas and Devdas. In 1888, Mohandas left his wife and family in India and sailed to Britain to study law. In 1891, he passed his final exams and became a lawyer. In 1914, he returned to India and he settled at the Sabarmati near the city of Ahmedabad in Gujarat. There he set up the Satyagraha Ashram where his family and followers could live and work together. He spent most of his life in India trying to end religious hatred and violence and also to get India to be independent. In 1948, January 30th, Mahatma Gandhi was shot by Nathuram Godse when he was on his way for his evening prayer meeting. About 1.5 million people attended Mahatma Gandhi's funeral. Now, let us all take a moment to appreciate the things Gandhiji has done for our nation and let us all practice his policy of non-violence in our lives.
Here, I am sharing some of the most influential thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the apostle of peace, non-violence and truth. He was a simple man with simple taste and high values. In his honor, the UN General Assembly has announced 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. In his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth, Gandhiji recalls his childhood, teenage, education, freedom struggle and intrinsic love for truth and duty. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the renowned leaders of India's independence movement. He is the man who played a significant role in achieving independence for India from British rule. He proved to the world that freedom can be achieved through the path of non-violence. Truth, non-violence, Sarvodaya and Satyagraha are the main principles of Gandhiji. He believed that ultimate truth is God and morality its basis. A speech is not enough to talk about Mahatma Gandhi's values and deeds. But we, as the future of the country, can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation.
There are a lot of inspirational incidents in Mahatma Gandhi's life. Now, let me share one of them. Soon after Gandhiji returned from South Africa, a meeting of Congress was held in Bombay. Ghaga Sahib accompanied him in the meeting. He noticed Gandhiji searching for something on the table. For knowing what is the matter, he asked Gandhiji, "What happened? What are you searching for?" "I lost my pencil," Gandhiji replied. Ghaga Sahib was very upset seeing Gandhiji wasting time and worrying about a little pencil. He took out his pencil and offered it to Mahatma Gandhi. No, I want my own pencil," Gandhiji insisted like a stubborn child. "Okay, now please use it. Later, I will help you find yours. Please don't waste time," said Ghaga Sahib. "You won't understand. That small pencil was so precious to me. A little boy gave it to me very lovingly. I cannot bear to lose it," said Gandhiji. Ghaga Sahib did not argue further. He accompanied Gandhiji to search it. At last, they found it. It was just a pencil of 2 inches. But Gandhiji was very happy to get it back. To him, it was not an ordinary pencil. It was the love of a child, and love of a child was very precious to him. So, this incident shows that Gandhiji loved children very much.
Gandhiji's hesitancy with words taught him the power of saying more. Today, his words, inflected with the heart and wisdom that have made him an international icon to inspire countless millions across the globe.
Nobody can hurt me without my permission.
The greatness of humanity is not in being human, but in being humane.
Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Live as if you were to live forever.
Hate sin, love sinner.
What you do says what is most important to you. Action expresses priorities.
The future depends on what we do in the present.
An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. These are the words quoted by Mahatma Gandhi.
A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all.
Love is the strongest force the world possesses.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन दो तेने कहे पीड़ पराई जाने रे।
पर दुख के उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान नाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे।
सकल लोग माँ सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे के मेरे। सगल लोग माँ सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे के मेरे।
वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेरी रे। वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेरी रे।
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही जे पीड़ पराई
Mahatma Gandhi said, sanitation is more important than independence. He made cleanliness and sanitation an integral part of the Gandhian way of living. His dream was the total sanitation for all. Cleanliness is the most important physical well-being and healthy environment. The father of nation, Gandhi, has left us many more powerful messages and value-based stories for our generations to come.
My dear friends, today I'm going to narrate a small story related to the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji, he is the father of our nation and taught us the valuable lessons of truthfulness, non-violence and equality, which means we should always be honest. We should never harm anyone and everyone should be treated equally. Once a man came into Gandhiji's house. There he saw the 3 statues of 3 monkeys with 3 different postures. The first monkey had covered his mouth. The second had covered his eyes, and the third monkey had covered his ears. The man was eager to know the reasons behind it. He asked Gandhiji about these monkeys. Gandhiji politely replied, "The first monkey indicates that we should never lie because nobody loves a liar. We should also not hurt anyone's feelings by saying harsh words. The second monkey indicates that we should not see any evil and not always find fault in others. We should always look at the good things. The third monkey indicates that we shouldn't hear any evil. We speak what we hear. So, if we speak good, we will hear good." These 3 monkeys indicates some basic and valuable lessons that one should keep up while living in a society. Let me repeat what these monkeys say. Speak no evil, see no evil, and hear no evil. Let us also encourage others to do the same. Thank you.
Your attitude contributes to success. The foundation of success, regardless of your chosen field, is attitude. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi, a man of true words, a great leader, a true fighter who made this as the greatest discovery during his life. Sacrifice, non-violence, truth, inspiration, and great leadership qualities are what come to our mind when we hear his name. As we celebrate his birthday, we have every right to honor him. Gandhiji said, "No sacrifice worth the name unless it is a joy." Indeed, his determination were strong and ideas firm enough to reach his ultimate goal. Let me tell you of his innovations. Non-violence probably was one of the greatest innovations of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji believed in true living and his experience with truth were countless. You may face a lot of hardships initially for being truthful, but at the end you will emerge as a true winner. Finally, Gandhiji, being a great learner, always believed in the art of continuous learning, and his lessons were highly popular as they motivated common people. Let us all be strong with great desire, determination, vigor, and vitality. We can work miracles like that of our great leader, Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you. Have a great day.